good. Hello.
Hello, teacher. My name is Vin.
Your name is Vin. How are you today?
I'm happy.
Very good. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. All right, Vin, let's begin with letter
B.
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 Okay, how many sounds does it make?
One sound.
One sound. What is the sound?
B.
B. Very good. Okay, say the sound.
B. Y. B. Baby.
Very good.
B. Rap.
Rock. Wow. Okay, what letter is this?
Letter B.
G.
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 Okay, how many sounds does it make?
Two sounds.
Two sounds. Very good. What are they? G. G.
G.
J.
J.
Again. G.
G.
J.
J.
J. Okay.
Teacher,
All right.
what
Oh,
is
is this okay? That's a paper. Okay, now say the sound.
G. 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 Bat. G. Giraffe.
Okay, you say J.
G.
Giraffe.
Giraffe.
Say it again.
J.
Giraffe.
Hai là này được nhau.
Yeah, that's double
Yeah.
F. What letter is this?
Letter L.
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 Okay, how many sounds does it make?
One sound.
One sound. What is the sound? Very good. Okay, say the sound. Lamp.
Lamp.
Yes, this is
Tall.
tall.
Plate.
Plate.
Catch.
Plate.
Catch.
Plate.
Catch.
Okay. All right. Next letter U. Okay. How many sounds does it make?
Two sound.
Two sounds. Very good. What are they?
U.
You. You say
U.
Very good. All right. Say the sound.
Umbrella. Thumb.
You.
U.
Use.
U.
Okay. Not yet. We're not done yet. Sit down. Very good. Okay. Let's read a poem. Not yet. Okay. Ready? Go.
Umbrella.
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 Point to the
Side.
umbrella.
Umbrella.
Keep
me
dry. Can you point the letter U? Or is the letter U?
Here.
Ah, is it letter U? Okay, this one. Letter U. What is the sound again?
Umbrella.
Where's the other one?
Here.
Oh, it's not. Okay, very good. What's the sound?
Umbrella.
Where's that other one? No. Okay, what is it? Umbrella. Okay, now let's have our story. Oh, let's sing a song. Oh, where's that other one? Where is it? Okay, here. Okay. Yes. Let's have our song now. Let's sing.
I B C D E F G H I J K L M
Okay,
N
what is this?
It's a hat.
Cap.
Cap.
Okay, how about this one? What is it?
It's a water.
Sweater. Okay, what is it? You point.
It's a shoe.
Shorts. Okay, how about that?
It's a picture.
Shoes. Come on, I'll give you a sticker. What is it?
It's a
Shirt.
shirt.
Very good.
It's a pen.
Very good. Pants. They are pants. Okay, now let us sing. Are you ready to sing?
I have
All these things. Okay, now you point.
I have job
Okay, ready, go.
on my feet.
Okay, make it
So
shorter one.
suit.
Okay, ready, go. A hat
I
or cap
have
goes
on my head.
Socks and shoes go on my feet. Shorts and pants go on my legs. A shirt and sweater pajamas too. All these go on. Give it to me, please. This little me. I have a question. Where does, give it to me, please. Where does a hat go on? Go on my
My
very
head.
good. High five. Uh-oh. Okay, and what are you wearing? I'm wearing
in the shirt.
shirt and
Pen.
I think they are shorts. Okay. Say shorts.
Set.
Shorts. Okay, now let's have our story.
Pen.
What can...
New. These
Very
are
good.
she.
Yeah, he's reading a book. Okay, now you say hello.
Hello, grown up. What can you do?
Can
Can
you play?
Red or ball?
Very good.
Hello, grown up. What can you do? Can you fly at
With
the
birds.
bird?
Very good.
Hello, little
Turtle. What
What
can
can
you
you
do?
do?
Can you
Climb
climb with
at the monkey?
monkeys? Very good.
No.
No. Hello.
Hello, hippo.
What
Can you do?
can you jump with
at a kangaroo?
kangaroos? Very good.
No.
No.
Hello, Maya.
What
can you do?
can you sit and play with me?
No.
No. Okay, ready.
Hello, Banana. What can you do?
Can you dance and sing with
With
me?
me?
Little,
Bye.
little girl,
What
what can you do? The
And
okay.
Eat.
And then what can you do? Give it to me. What
I
can you do?
can dance.
You can dance. Very good. Let's have last story.
Live in the pool.
Okay, question. Where does the mother live?
The end.
Not yet. Where does the mother live? In.
Live the pool.
Very good. And where do you live?
Live in the house.
Very good. In a house.
Yeah.
And not yet. What is all over her floor?
Button.
Buttons. And what does she use to keep her dry?
In novella.
Umbrella.
Umbrella.
Very good. And where does she keep her food?
In even shoot.
In 7 blue shoes. And how does she drink?
In water.
In a very tall hat. How do you drink? Do you drink in a tall hat?
No.
No. You drink in a cup
Go.
or glass. All right, that's the end of our speaking test. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.